Okay, I found it. It's right here. Okay, I do my job in the basement, so okay. Hopefully I can get it to refocus. Okay. R12, you see R12? Okay, but R12 is for the gas gauge. Okay, that R10 is for the temperature gauge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of use my hot soldering iron. I'm just gonna retouch it. See if I can get to flow again. So let me get my gauge. I think I can do it with one hand because I solder a lot. So I guess I got it hot by now. So okay. Okay, buddy. I just gonna kind of retouch it. Oh, I might put some little solder on it. So let me hold on a second, buddy. Let me. I think I need to tie my. This is hot, so a little bit. Okay, now it's tight. I didn't clean my tip, so let me get my soldering iron. Then I laid it here somewhere. Okay, I'm just gonna use very tiny bit. So